Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on my mini twists and the different ways that I like to style them. I do have a video up of me installing my mini twists, so if you want to see that, then go ahead and click the cards above or check the description box down below. And for this, I use tons of bobby pins because my mini twists are short. My hair is not long whatsoever. And I also used hair ties to create these different hairstyles. When it's all said and done, I like wearing my mini twists down, wild, and free. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and check out my previous video. Bye, y'all.